Exercise 82 Pitman shorthand dictation. Ready, start. The judge in his charge to the jury said, this poor boy's injury is very severe, and if what he states is right, it was due to the absence of a hooter on the car which Robinson drove along the arcade at a very fast rate. His speed, if we can take the story of the police as correct, being at least 40 miles an hour, far too fast in so busy a thoroughfare. The boy says the car came on with a rush. No alarm was given. He was struck and thrown with a force so terrific as to break his right leg. If you think his story is right, you will give him damage. If you assume his story is wrong, and if it is appears to you the injury was caused by his own lack of vigilance, you will refuse him the damage for which he asks. You must carefully weigh both the boy's case and the case as set out by Robinson and decide on the facts as they appear to you. Stop.